Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will consider some questions that will help you to optimize speed of your site. Please note that most of the questions I described in article. I recommend to read it first. Also, note that everything that I show in this video is relevant for my hosting Ukraine. In your case, you will need to read the documentation of your hosting or contact the technical support of your hosting to clarify what and how you can do to increase the speed on your hosting. Let's start with the creation of special file htaccess. This is my hosting control panel. This is file manager. Here I can create file. Pay attention to the name. First we have dot, then htaccess, and then nothing. Create it. Let's find it. Here it is, and let's add it. Here we can insert some code. This code you can find in my article, but in your case the code may be different. You need to contact your hosting provider and ask him what exactly you need to specify here for enable gzip or default compression, to enable keep alive, and to enable caching static content. Let's save it. In your case, the code might be different. Also, some hosting providers give possibility to enable this feature in control panel. For example, in my case, I have a lot of tools. I can easily change version of PHP for each site. Also, I can enable caching, specify time of caching. Also, I can enable and configure some options for site optimization. This is Google PageSpeed model. You can get more information about this model from my article. Here you can see some options for optimized site. Also, in my case, I have opportunity to enable OPC cache, and this will speed up my site. Another way to create htaccess file to use Notepad++. We need to create new document and save it to the disk. Save as. Let's specify the file name. Pay attention, .htaccess and no extension. Also, we need to specify all types and click Save. Once more, pay attention, .htaccess. Then we need to paste it our code, save the file, go to website X5, export, upload website to internet, and click on this icon. This is folder of my site. I already have this file. I can delete it, or I can upload new file. As you can see, I upload this file and it will work on my server. In the next video, we will talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program.